Yo, True.
Come on with it, bro. Come on, boy. Come on, come on.
Come on, Greg. Come on, Greg. Come on, Greg.
Now Clay swings a right, and it's a beautiful swing. It knocks the bear clear out the ring. Liston still rising, and the ref wears a frown, 'cause he can't start counting till Sonny comes down. Ride with me. That way, you can come by the school, and afterwards, we'll go by the center, grab your meds. You know what the champ said. The best way to make your dreams come true is to wake up. Let's go. And they're gonna leave this one to me? I thought you were supposed to be here. My head. Raise the roof and tap. My head. You get everything?
Yeah, think so.
You okay? Want some breakfast?
I'm okay. Thanks, Pops.
Well, I'm gonna head back to the school. Welcome to join me. Maybe this time spend some time with the kids.
I don't know, Pops. Maybe next time. Hey, Pop? Have you seen my bag? Think I might try to get a workout in today.
I think I saw it in the basement. I'll grab it and leave it for you by the front door.
Greg? It's good to see you. Hey, I didn't mean to make you rush out of here.
Nah, man, you're good. I was just finishing up.
Hey, how you holding up, man?
It's good seeing you, Joe.
How was your day?
Good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Well, mine was too. The kids were busy trying to get ready for their big show.
It's nice, Pop. You ever, miss it? Being in the ring.
Yeah.
How do you let it go?
I would say let me go. Just took me a little bit of time to accept it.
I don't know, Pop. I ain't got nothing else.
Give it some time. Come on.
Checkmate.
All right, you got that one. Trying to distract me by talking, right?
You just gotta keep that guard up, man.
You need to keep that 1-2 up. Keep your guard up. You can't keep it down.
Wake up. Right and left. Right and left. Come on, you say this is your dream? Then wake up. You going back to the gym today?
No, I think I'm gonna work out here.
I'm going up to the school. It's the last rehearsal before the big show. You should come. It'll be just like the old days, father and son. Listen, you are more than this. Understand me? Do you understand me?
Great.
You are up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sun. Everybody, this is my son, Gray.